Hello student, at last lecture we have seen the nomenclature of halogen derivative of alkanes. Today we are going to study the methods of preparation of halogen derivatives. Then there are four methods for preparation of halogen derivatives. First one from alcohol, second from hydrocarbons, third by halogen exchange, and fourth one by electrophilic substitution reaction. Then we can proceed one by one. Then first method from alcohols. Then in first method from alcohols, that is hydroxy group or alcohol group replaced by halogen atoms. OH group or hydroxy group can be replaced by halogen atoms, hence from preparation of alcohol. Then there are again three methods. First by using halogen acid, second by using phosphorus halides, and third one by using thionyl chloride. Then first of all by using halogen acids. Halogen acids having symbol HX. It is also called as hydrogen halides. Then general reaction here, ROH for alcohol plus HX, that means halogen acid or hydrogen halides. In suitable reagent, it gives RX plus H2O. See here, this OH group get replaced by X, that is hydroxy group get replaced by halogen atoms. Then there are again three reactions. First one, formation of alkyl chloride. Second, formation of alkyl bromide, and third one, formation of alkyl iodide. Then first of all, formation of alkyl chloride. Here also ROH means alcohol plus HCl. Then here suitable reagent, that is zinc chloride and HCl. Then it gives RCl means alkyl chloride plus HCl. That means this HCl and zinc chloride, this mixture is called as Lucas reagent. This reagent is called as Lucas reagent. Then by using this Lucas reagent, primary and secondary alcohol, it gives primary alkyl halides and secondary alkyl halides. It requires for primary and secondary alkyl halides HCl plus zinc chloride, that is Lucas reagent. But for tertiary alcohol, this only HCl react with alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol, and gives tertiary alkyl halides. Hence, the order of reactivity in alcohol is tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary, or third degree is greater than second degree is greater than first degree. This method is called as Gru's process. Then second one, that is preparation of alkyl bromide. Then for alkyl bromide, again ROH means alcohol, it react with hydrogen bromide. Then reagent used here sodium bromide and H2SO4. Then here again this OH group get replaced by bromine atom and it forms alkyl bromide plus H2O. That means this primary alcohol also react with constant boiling hydrobromic acid at 48%. Then third method, that is preparation of alkyl iodide. In this reaction again, this alcohol, that is ROH, is react with hydrogen iodide, that is HI, in presence of sodium iodide or potassium iodide and phosphorus acid, that is H3PO4. Then it gives alkyl iodide plus H2O. In this way, in first method, that is preparation of alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide in presence of suitable reagent or under suitable conditions. Then second method in this alcohol, that is by using phosphorus halides. There are two types of phosphorus halide, that is PX3 and PX5. That means phosphorus trihalides and second phosphorus pentahalides. Then first of all, reaction with phosphorus trihalides. This ROH, again alcohol, if react with phosphorus trihalides, which phosphorus trihalides? That is phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide. Then it react with phosphorus triiodide. This phosphorus triiodide and bromide, these are generated by red phosphorus and bromine and red phosphorus and iodine. That means first reaction, suppose thrice ROH plus PBr3, then it gives which products? That is alkyl bromide plus H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. Then second, again suppose alcohol, if react with phosphorus triiodide, then it gives which product? That is alkyl iodide. Suppose in place of X here, Br, then it becomes phosphorus tribromide and it gives alkyl bromide. In place of X here, suppose iodine, it becomes phosphorus triiodide and in this reaction it gives alkyl iodide plus phosphorus acid. Then second reaction, that is reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Then again general reaction is ROH. ROH means again alcohol plus PX5. One example of this PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride. Then if react with phosphorus pentachloride, again here this OH group get replaced by one of this chlorine atom of this PCl5 and it gives which product? Alkyl chloride, that is RCl plus HCl plus POCl3. In this way there is second method by using phosphorus halides. Then third method from alcohol, that is by using thionyl chloride. Then what is formula of this thionyl chloride? Thionyl chloride having formula SOCl2. If again alcohol, that means having general representation ROH. If this react with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, on heating it gives alkyl chloride. In this reaction also this OH group get replaced by one of this chlorine atom of this thionyl chloride and it forms alkyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. In this reaction these two byproducts, that is SO2 and HCl, these both are in gaseous state. Hence this method is preferred for the preparation of alkyl chloride, or it is the best method for preparation of alkyl chloride, because these byproducts are in gaseous state, it get evaporated or escape and we get here only one product, that is alkyl chloride. Then this first method here completed, that is from alcohol. Then second method from hydrocarbons. Then which hydrocarbons? Then there are mainly three types of hydrocarbons, that is alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. In these alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Then this method for preparation of alkyl halides from hydrocarbons, that means preparation of alkyl halide from alkenes, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons. From alkenes there are two methods. First, that is according to Markovnikov's rule. And second method according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Then one example of this reaction, that is of Markovnikov's rule, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. Name of this reactant is propene, or name of this alkene is propene. If this propene is react with HCl, this, see here this reactant or this propene is, that is symmetrical, unsymmetrical. This alkene is unsymmetrical and this reagent is also unsymmetrical, because on this hydrogen there is positive charge and on this chlorine there is negative charge. Hence this reagent is called as unsymmetrical reagent. Then according to Markovnikov's rule, in such type of addition, that is this positive part of this reagent is get attached to that carbon atom which carrying less number of hydrogen atom, and negative part get attached to that carbon atom which carrying less number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen get attached to that carbon atom which carrying more number of hydrogen atom, according to Markovnikov's rule. That means this rule we have studied in 11th standard, Markovnikov's rule and anti-Markovnikov's rule. That means statement of this rule is, that is, in unsymmetrical alkene, addition in unsymmetrical alkene, addition of unsymmetrical reagent, in such type of reagent, negative part of reagent get attached to that carbon atom which carrying less number of hydrogen atom, and positive part get attached to that carbon atom which carrying more number of hydrogen atom. In this way, according to Markovnikov's rule, this product, it is a major product. It mainly gives two products. This is one product, second one, that is chloropropane. But this product is major product. Name of this product is, common name of this product is isopropyl chloride, and IUPAC name of this product is 2-chloropropane. Name of this product is 2-chloropropane according to Markovnikov's rule. Then according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, second reaction according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, this addition takes place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, means this is contrary to Markovnikov's rule. That means in such type of reaction, again, if unsymmetrical reagent get added to unsymmetrical alkene, then in presence of peroxide, here addition takes place in presence of peroxide. In such type of addition, negative part, that is this bromine minus, get attached to that carbon atom which carrying more number of hydrogen atom, and positive part, that means hydrogen, get attached to that carbon atom which carrying less number of hydrogen atom, according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. That means it completely opposite to this Markovnikov's rule or contrary to Markovnikov's rule. Hence, it gives a main product, that is bromopropane or propyl bromide. Common name of this compound is propyl bromide, and IUPAC name of this compound is 1-bromopropane. Suppose another example of this anti-Markovnikov's rule. According to anti-Markovnikov's rule, or in presence of peroxide, that is, suppose this product, name of this product is, that is here on second carbon atom, methyl group is attached, that is 2-methyl-but-2-ene. Name of this alkene is 2-methyl-but-2-ene, because it contains in straight line 4 carbon atoms. It is derivative of butene. It contains carbon-carbon double bond in between second and third carbon atom. Hence, name of this compound is 2-methyl-but-2-ene. Then, in presence of peroxide and reaction with HBr. Again here H having positive charge, bromine having negative charge. Then according to anti-Markovnikov's rule or according to peroxide effect, this negative part get attached to that carbon atom which carrying more number of hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom get attached to that carbon atom which carrying less number of hydrogen atom. On this second carbon atom there is nothing hydrogen atom, and on third carbon atom there is one hydrogen atom. Hence, on third carbon atom bromine atom get attached, and on third carbon atom hydrogen atom attached here. And name of this compound becomes, numbering start from right hand side, first, second, third and fourth. Name of this compound becomes 2-bromobutane. 2-bromo here, CH3 group of this carbon atom. On this carbon atom there are 2 CH3 group, hence name of this compound becomes 2-bromo 2-methyl, and it contains 4 carbon atom in straight chain, hence it is derivative of which alkane? That is butane. Hence name of this compound is 2-bromo 2-methyl butane. In this way, there is second method, that is from hydrocarbons, that is from alkenes. Then third method, that is by halogen exchange. Third method, by halogen exchange. In this reaction, one halogen atom get exchanged with another halogen atom. Again, there are two reactions. First one, Finkelstein reaction, and second reaction, Schwarz reaction. First reaction is Finkelstein reaction, and second reaction, Schwarz reaction. Then in this reaction, that is alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is react with sodium fluoride or potassium fluoride. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, that is RCl or RBr, react with sodium fluoride or potassium fluoride. Then in this reaction is carried out in presence of acetone. Then it gives which product? That means if this react with sodium fluoride, then this chlorine atom get react with fluorine and it forms which product? Potassium fluoride plus KCl. That means if react with potassium, it forms KCl. If react with sodium, it forms NaCl. Then second reaction, that is RBr, if react with potassium fluoride or sodium fluoride, then it gives which product? RBr and RCl. RF plus KCl plus NaCl or KBr or NaBr. Then second reaction, that is Schwarz reaction. In this reaction also, that is alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is react with metal fluoride, is again react with metal fluoride in presence of, suppose, silver fluoride. Metal fluoride such as silver fluoride, mercury fluoride, AsF3 or SbF3. Such type of metal fluoride, if react with alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, then this chlorine or bromide get replaced by fluorine and it gives which product? RF, that means alkyl fluoride plus precipitate of silver chloride or silver bromide. That means if react this alkyl chloride, if react with metal fluoride, that is AgF, then it gives which product? RF plus AgCl. This RBr, that is alkyl bromide, if react with metal fluoride, then it gives which product? Again RF plus byproduct is AgBr. In this way, there is third method by halogen exchange. In this reaction, this one halogen atom get replaced by another halogen atom, hence such type of reaction is called as halogen exchange reaction. Then fourth method, that is by electrophilic substitution reaction. In electrophilic, this method is for preparation of haloarenes, that means aromatic halides or haloarenes. For example, this compound, name of this compound is toluene. Toluene, that means CH3 group is attached on this benzene nucleus. If this react with bromine, that means Br2, in presence of Lewis acid such as iron, Fe or FeCl3, FeCl3, etc. in dark at room temperature, then it gives which product? That means it get electrophilic substitution reaction. That means this bromine atom gets substituted at ortho position or at para position. This gets substituted at ortho position or para position. Then it gives two products. First one by substitution at ortho position and second one by substitution at para position. Then it requires two molecules of bromine. Also for balancing this reaction, it requires two molecules of toluene. Then suppose at ortho position, this hydrogen atom get replaced by bromine. Then it gives product that is called as ortho-bromotoluene. Ortho-bromotoluene. Then second reaction, if this para position, hydrogen atom from this para position gets substituted by one of this bromine atom and it gives which product? That is para, P for para bromotoluene. Para bromotoluene. That means it gives a mixture of two products, one is ortho and one is para, and it gives a byproduct that is twice HBr. In this way, for preparation of haloarenes, the method is by electrophilic substitution reaction. In this way, there are four methods, that is from alcohol, second for hydrocarbon from hydrocarbons, third by halogen exchange, and fourth one by electrophilic substitution reaction. In from alcohol there are three reactions. First one by using halogen acid, second one by using phosphorus acid, and third one by using thionyl chloride. Again by using halogen acid there are three reactions: formation of alkyl chloride, formation of alkyl bromide, and formation of alkyl iodide. Then by using phosphorus acid, phosphorus halides, again there are two reactions: reaction with phosphorus trihalides and reaction with phosphorus pentahalides. And third reaction by using thionyl chloride, that is ROH plus SOCl2. Then in second method from hydrocarbons, first reaction according to Markovnikov's rule, second reaction by according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. According to anti-Markovnikov's rule, it gives product, main product 2-chloropropane. According to anti-Markovnikov's rule, it gives 1-bromopropane. Then third by halogen exchange. In this again there are two reactions: Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. In both reaction, one halogen atom can exchange with halogen atoms with sodium fluoride or potassium fluoride, and here in presence of metallic fluorides. In both reaction it gives alkyl fluorides. And last reaction by electrophilic substitution reaction, that means from toluene it gives orthobromotoluene, and second one is parabromotoluene. In this way there are 4 methods are completed here, that is preparation of halogen derivatives. Thank you.